Call Her King's debut judge Yida King is having a rough day. First, her husband tries to get in the shower with her, which sparks a heated dispute. After she starts working, it doesn't get any better as she overhears one of the other judges ranting about her and the case she's handling in a racist and sexist manner. That would apply to Sean Samuels, who will receive a term for several homicides. However, as soon as the judge pronounces a death sentence, Sean's brother Gabriel, commonly known as Black Caesar, also known as Black Caesar, and his crew storm the courthouse. As King, Samuels, his lawyer Jerry, one of the guards, Stryker, and other characters escape to a safe room. Director Wes Miller creates a setting reminiscent of Die Hard. But Call Her King is more than just a straightforward action movie. Gabriel is holding his own trial as the others are attempting to flee. He is putting Hawkins, the prosecutor in his brother's case, on trial. Additionally, King and Hawkins will also be the subject of some intriguing disclosures. It's also not difficult to use some of those insights in, and it's not hard to some of those revelations in the context of recent headlines about the justice system, including ones about the U.S. Supreme Court and conflicts of interest. Miller does a wonderful job of keeping the two storylines in proportion, never letting the courtroom scenes go on for too long before returning to the action. Additionally, there is a good deal of carefully planned action for a movie with a tight budget. However, it would have helped with the suspension of disbelief if King had performed better against her instructor, or if there had been any indication that she had such expert shooting abilities prior to knocking out a variety of professional murderers. Furthermore, what we learn about King and Hawkins raises clear concerns about both the fairness of Sean's trial and the operation of the system as a whole. Unfortunately, Miller undermines some of his ideas by bringing up and then downplaying much of King's involvement in the incident in order to give her a heroic role. Additionally, it appears in a scenario where she lashes out at a character for leaving someone behind when only moments earlier she had left both of them on their own. Give her a King. Nick Turturro, Jason Mitchell, and Naturi Naughton. Despite this, Call Her King does make some important points about the system that need to be addressed, and the film's somewhat ambiguous ending raises even more concerns about how to do so. This is preferable to the commonly present artificial feel-good endings in similar movies. Miller acknowledges that some issues are difficult to solve in Hollywood. Miller is acknowledging some problems don't have an easy Hollywood solution, as well as leaving an opening for a sequel.